talk about customer service for a few minutes. You closed your first launch party. Now what do? You want to take extremely good care of those customers that ordered from you. They can order from anybody. Why are they going to order from you? I am a firm believer that when you treat every customer like they are your only customer, they will continue to come back. They will be the ones that are faithful customers to you. They're going to refer you, they're going to party with you, and they may even join you one day. It is extremely important that you're following up with your customers after they order. How? How, you ask? How are you going to keep up with who orders from you? There is an app called Maven, which is now called Amy, AMI, that you can download to your phone. This syncs directly with your workstation contacts. It'll save all of those emails, those phone numbers, so that you can text and email those customers. Amy is an amazing app. Why, it'll tell you what they ordered last, how long ago they ordered with. That's how you're going to keep up with all of your customers and follow up with them to take very good care of them. You can download that to your phone. The first 30 days is free, and then it does charge you month by month. I highly suggest that you get a follow-up system early in place for your business. It's how you're going to keep up with everybody that orders from you. That way you can check in with them. You don't want to just follow up for an order. You want to build relationships with these people. You want to thank them. You want to thank them for coming to you, for choosing you to be their Scentsy lady. It does make a difference. A simple thank you can mean so much to somebody. Don't be that person that a customer orders from and then they never hear from you until you want them to order again. Simply thank them. Amy has a good way to remind you. You can set the settings on it to remind you how often you want to be told to follow up with your customers. And it'll send you reminders on who to follow up with, on what they ordered, and how you can contact them versus text, email, or call. You want to do that. Do that quickly. Set that follow-up system in place frequently. There is also something called a binder system that works better for you. You can look that up on YouTube. Whatever system you choose, you need a follow-up system early in place. That's what's going to set you apart from every other consultant. Take care of these people. Take good care of them, and they'll never ever leave you. Part of your host credits when you close your launch party, you can use to invest to get wax or get counter clean or whatever product to sample. You can sample those to those customers. A simple thank you card and a sample is really all it takes. Follow up with every single sample you give out. You can log those samples in the Amy app, and the Amy app will remind you when to follow up with those customers. Get that system in place early. You'll thank yourself and you'll never lose customers. Once they become a customer, it's up to you to make them stay with you. They can go to anybody. Just because they order from you once doesn't mean that they're your customer. Give them a reason to stay. It's just like a store. You may go to Walmart or Target or Food Lion or wherever, or a restaurant. Chances are, if you've had a very good experience, you'll return over and over again. It's just like this business. It's just like your customers. Those people that ordered from your launch party, they're going to be the ones that continue your business for you. They're going to be the ones that refer you, the ones that party with you. Give them a reason to. Make those samples and put them in their orders. Package up their orders very cute and pretty and give it to them like a Christmas gift that they paid for. Make them feel special and important. And more importantly, thank them. Send them a message and say, thank you for coming to my launch party, or thank you for ordering from my launch party. It truly makes a world of difference. Always give more than you take. Always share. This business is a glorious one. You don't have to invest a whole ton of money into this business. If you work it correctly and you take very good care of those people and they continue to order, you will get that product credit that you can use on anything. I encourage you to spend that product credit wisely on your business so you can invest and make samples and have no out-of-pocket expenses. Take care of those people. Download that app as soon as you place your first order so you can get ahead of the game with customer service. Treat every person like they are the only person. Treat them like gold, and they never will leave you. They will stick with you, and they will be your forever loyal customer.